I'm doing fine. How are you?
Great. Yes, me too. So far, very happy finally
Oh,
after today.
why are
Yes.
you so happy?
I had a very long class this morning, so
Mm.
I kept talking from 6:20 a.m. to 12:20
Hmm?
straight.
Mm.
Yeah, it was pretty busy today, which
For
is
six
pretty
hours?
normal.
With one person or
Uh, a lot of
a
people.
lot? Okay.
Yeah, so
Mm.
yeah, but it was okay. Yeah, it's worth
Mm.
it because so far I will be having some break later on. So
Mm.
I'm excited to eat something.
Oh. What did you
Yeah.
eat?
Not I haven't eaten yet.
You will eat after this class.
Yes. So
Oh.
probably I will be having my lunch finally. Brunch.
Oh, brunch. Yeah.
Yeah, brunch.
Oh.
Yes.
So,
Anyway.
can I know your weight?
My weight.
Yeah.
It
Y-
depends. Actually, sometimes I weigh around 45 kilograms. That's
45 kilograms.
yes, 240. Because
Oh.
sometimes a lot.
40.
Yeah, I'm actually what you call malnourished.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, malnourished. Yeah, it can
Or
be.
it's not
Yeah.
actually a certain. It's not actually applicable for
Mm.
my height and
Oh,
my age.
yeah, you need to
So
eat
I know,
more.
but it's hard. Even if I eat something or if I consume a lot,
Mm-hmm.
um, there's a tendency for me to lose weight easily.
Oh.
Yeah, because of skipping meals, probably lack of sleep, which is pretty off happens pretty often.
Mm-hmm.
What else? Yeah, those cases. So
Mm.
normally it's not because I skip meals. It's just that I have a very fast
Mm.
metabolism. So
Oh.
yeah. Hmm.
Okay,
But
but I heard
yeah.
one story that about a woman's body
Mm.
when they are losing weight.
Mm-hmm.
The first part of their body losing weight is located in upper body. Is it true? You
You
know
mean
what
the
I'm saying?
chest?
Yeah. Is it
Okay,
true?
when you say upper body,
Yeah.
uh, this is upper body, the first half, the bust.
Yeah, I want
However,
to be vague, you know. I didn't want to be specific because it
oh,
could
you
be,
can
you
use
know.
the word chest or breast.
Uh
Yes,
is
it's
it fine
okay.
word? Is it gentle word?
Ah, you mean like politically correct
Yeah.
or acceptable, or let's just say very subtle?
Yeah.
More of this one. This is a more,
Mm.
or this one. These are some expressions wherein it's not too vulgar.
Not too
Yes,
what?
vulgar,
Vulgar.
vulgar. Not
Uh
scandalous or offensive or something.
okay,
Uh,
chess.
yes,
So
chest or bust. Yes,
so
in
can I
fact,
uh
that's true.
so your
No,
chest is not healthy.
no, not at all.
That's
No,
kind
it's
of sad.
genetic.
Genetic.
Yeah, it's genetic. Yes.
That's not your
So,
fault then, right?
right. Yes.
Yeah.
Fact. Yes. I got my physique from my father's side. They're very skinny people. His
Uh,
sisters are also as skinny as I am.
mhm.
Yeah. And yes, they're not blessed
Yeah, but
in that aspect.
there's a
Yes.
good thing, I think, in my
What do you
opinion.
mean? There's a good thing about it? Like
Yeah, there's
what?
a good thing about it. In Korea, we the guys used to say, when we are get older, we are more considerate about legs, not chest. You know,
Oh, why?
I don't know why, but in my case, getting like legs, more legs than chest than
I wonder
before.
why. Why? What about
Hmm.
the legs? I'm just curious.
What about the legs?
Yes. What of
Cause
the legs?
guys can have that kind of shape.
Hmm?
Guys,
Guys
yeah,
don't
men.
have that shape,
Yeah.
you mean?
We cannot have the shape like women's has. Have their leg is like
You mean like
something
shapely? Shapely.
shapely. Yeah.
Shapely.
Slim
Yes,
and
shapely legs.
mm.
Hmm. Okay, I guess so. Mine's kind of short, so no.
You're sure?
Yeah, I wish the lower part of my legs was longer, so it'll be
Uh,
proportion. Probably during my fetal development, when
mhm.
I was a baby, when I was still fetal development, I meant when I was a baby. Maybe I'm supposed to be a tall person, but
Oh.
this part from the knee
Mhm.
to here. It's shorter compared to my femur. My
Oh.
my thigh from thigh going
Uh-huh.
up, I have a very long frame. So that's why, yeah, seriously. In fact, some of my colleagues before said that if you look at me from afar, I look like a tall person.
Oh.
Yeah, but of course,
Mm.
sadly, it was not that. So yeah, actually, one of my Korean friends teased
Mhm.
me because my arms are too long.
Oh.
Yes, like I'm a monkey.
Right.
Yeah, but it just so happened that my upper frame until my knees,
Mhm.
I'm actually my body's for a taller
Oh.
person. Yeah, it's kind of awkward actually when I'm using it.
Is it
Yeah,
really awkward?
it is actually. Every
Oh.
time, so there are times that if I take a photo of myself, I make sure that I tiptoe,
Mhm.
yes, or I wear heels, or
Mm.
just take until my knee part.
Mm.
Yeah, so it looks
Mm.
like, oh, she's tall, but I'm not, you know.
Mm.
Hmm. So lucky your girl is actually very tall, right?
My girlfriend? Not at
Yep.
all. She is just normal.
Regular,
Yeah, regular.
regular height, like until how many centimeters?
Uh,
She's
164, 5.
tall.
Yeah, she is
I,
told to me. She is told to me, but in average in Korea, she is just
oh
average
really?
person. Yeah.
Oh wow. So normally, until how tall women actually grow in your country?
Oh, there are lots of taller girls these days. There
I
are lots of
know.
girls who is taller than me.
Really? Oh
Yeah,
my God.
but it's
What
fine. I'm
happened?
getting used to it. I don't know. They are eating something. I don't
I It's weird when you say they're eating something.
know.
You know what? In fact, nowadays, yes, it's true. Even elementary students here in our country,
Hmm.
they seem to be growing too fast.
Oh yeah.
They're actually bigger than us.
Oh yeah. Right.
Elementary students? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is kind of weird. Maybe it has something to do with the food, you know?
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, because if I remember myself very well, at that age, I was really tiny, puny. Yeah, I'm only 157. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so can you imagine that? So I thought your girlfriend is actually tall. Yeah,
Yeah.
so,
She's told to me.
so that's
Mm.
good. So, well, I guess it has something to do with food.
Mm.
Maybe we should consume more.
Mm.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
could help us grow taller, but not.
Yeah. Right. But
Unfortunately,
yeah, unfortunately,
it's not
I
helping.
yeah, I'm already grown up.
Yeah,
It
I
doesn't
think
help me.
so. Right. It will never help anybody who already reached 20s.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah. I
So.
heard until it would stop
Mhm.
normally
Mm.
around 18.
Oh, I
Yeah,
want to ask you something.
sure.
Um, I think I told you about my girlfriend's legs. She's having kind of a little bit thick legs. So
Mhm.
I want to make it
I don't think
slimmer.
so. Really?
Yeah, she's thick. Her leg is thicker than mine even, cause I
Well,
have slim legs.
well.
So I want to make it slimmer than you, at least than me. You know?
Okay. Well, if it's genetic, you can't do anything about it.
Yeah, but I saw a old picture of her when she
Mhm.
was early 20. Her leg is
Yeah.
fine. Her leg is really fine.
Ah,
And
maybe she gained weight.
yeah, she gained weight, and I think she doesn't care about her legs at all. Like she's always walking, and she doesn't want to massage it after long working. You know what I mean? Long walk. I
After a
think
long walk.
yeah. So I think I need to massage. Can I say massage?
Massage.
Massage. Yeah. I think I need to massage it, but I tried to massage it, but she rejected
She,
it and she, avoided.
it's
Cause
very ticklish. I don't think anybody would be able to bear
mm,
that. When someone else is actually holding your thighs or your legs,
uh-huh.
it's kind of ticklish.
Yeah,
So I guess
tickling.
she's very uncomfortable.
Yeah, I know, but I want to give some message about it. you know, I,
Oh, you want
yeah.
to tell her, you mean?
Yeah,
Okay.
vaguely, subtle, in a subtle way,
Okay.
to make her know that
Mm.
I like slim legs. Why don't you try? We can care about our body, then we can make it a little bit change it. You know what I mean?
I
If we
guess.
try, if we make a lot of efforts, we can
Effort.
be, yeah,
Yeah.
we can be changed.
Hmm. Well, I'm not really sure about that, but I've heard about something wherein they should do a workout.
Mm.
I'm not really sure, but they said it no tone. It tones the muscle. And
Mm-hmm.
normally, if you want to tone it, if you don't want it muscular, it will just like
Mm.
take off fat or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
something like that. Then I guess she could do it. Well, you can probably bring the old photo up. Like for example, you said her old photo, her legs were actually slimmer, or she
Mm-hmm.
actually sort of uh, skinnier then, you could tell her, "Oh, I really like your legs here. I mean, I like it now, but I like it better here." Something like that.
Is it fine?
Yeah, right. Of course, it's a subtle way of saying it. Actually,
Mm.
yeah, you're not directly saying you're fat and stuff. Yeah, that's why I told you like to say it like it's not that I don't like it now, but I mean I like this. It looks so
Mm.
slim. So you were slim before. Why don't you start doing this again or something? Yeah, it's more of like encouragement rather than like,
mm.
telling what you really or telling her directly about your purpose.
Mm.
For yeah. So yeah, I guess you
Ah, it's
can do
so
that.
hard.
Or maybe do some exercises with her that has something to do about losing
I mean,
fat down there.
she's doing exercise a lot, but she
Really?
doesn't care about her legs. She's just do a lot of exercise, but
Well, if she does, then I guess it's supposed to lose weight.
no, I mean, she's using her legs for exercising a lot.
Uh-huh.
So I think she gains muscles on her legs, but she doesn't massage it. That's the problem. You know what I mean?
Okay. But if she does, oh, like what do you mean massage? Like, are you referring? Is it just thick, or does she have other problems?
No, she doesn't have any problem.
Okay.
She has just thick legs, and I think, in my opinion, I don't know how exactly, but
Mm,
if we want to lose, I mean, if we want to have
slimmer.
slimmer
Mm.
legs, we need to massage it because there are
Oh,
lots
really?
of muscles and fats. So after the workout, we need to massage it to,
Mm.
to make it not getting firm muscle.
Ah, for you to actually firm it or make it firmer, something
Yeah,
like that. Oh,
because
okay. Well, I don't
because
know
it's
much.
getting
Mm.
getting hard muscle, so we need to make it not hard.
So what you're trying to say now is that you just want her to like um probably massage it
Yeah.
afterwards, and then probably just figure out a way to remove those excess fat, something like that.
Yeah, kind of, cause her leg
Hmm.
is hard. rock hard. So
Oh, really? Then
if
it's all muscle.
yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I meant. It's not fat.
Oh,
So
it's
she
just.
needs to massage it to make it, how can I say? You know what I mean? Not
Uh-huh.
hard.
Yeah, I
Soft,
know.
make it soft. She needs to make it soft.
She needs to stop what she's doing.
Oh yeah, walking a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you ask her to probably stop doing that, it's not actually the walking that makes it thick
Hmm.
and too muscular.
Mhm.
It's actually what she's doing. You have to stop her. So in fact, if she stops, there's a tendency for the muscles to go back to its usual state or condition,
Mm.
original condition. So maybe you should like tell her to avoid those things.
Mm.
Yeah. Maybe you could tell her, wow, don't you think your thighs are getting thicker? You can say that. Yeah, it works sometimes. I don't know, it depends. So,
Yeah, but I'm just
it,
worrying about our future because her leg is now fine, but after a few years later, maybe she will get, kind of
uh,
thick legs.
I guess
And
so.
suddenly I'm worrying about she may be here my class. She could
Why?
be. Cause last
Is she
week I
there?
told her no. Last week I told her like, oh, I had a conversation about adulting with my English teacher,
Uh-huh.
and she was
And,
upset. How can you
oh.
talk about adulting with another girl? Something like that.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So I was, how is it that bad thing? So I didn't know that.
I guess because she's conventional. So
Hmm.
I
Ah.
suppose that's one of the reasons why she's, you know how she is. She's
Oh yeah.
very conservative, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, um, maybe she didn't find that comfortable because thinking that if we're talking about something like that, there's a tendency for us to flirt, which does not exactly happen. So,
Hmm.
yeah, but in her
No, I try
mind,
every time, but you didn't notice it.
no, I don't.
Yeah, that's the sad part of our conversation.
Well, I guess it's just that, of course, in her case, she
Mm.
feels that that's inappropriate, especially since you got a girlfriend. So
Mm.
yeah, you can talk about it with her instead of me, something like that.
Mm, yeah,
Yeah,
but
she avoids it, right?
she avoids it, and she don't know about that very much.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So she should know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, well, I don't know. I have to understand her in some case, or I actually understand her.
Mm.
But there are cases wherein, it's just not really, what do you call this? It's not very, it's a very petty, uh,
Mm. Mm. Teddy.
very trivial kind
Mm.
of thing. So it's something simple. So I don't think she needs to worry about anything at all.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Besides,
we never met anyway,
I
so
know
it's hard to
exactly,
meet.
exactly. And even if we
Yeah, so.
do, we actually meet here.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's kind
So
of
yeah,
different.
yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, and I think I gotta go for emergency work, so
Oh, okay,
I think you
okay.
can have your meal now.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, that's great for
All
you.
right, thank
Okay.
you, Jamie. Anyway, I'll see you on Thursday. All
Okay,
right,
see you
thanks.
Thursday.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye
You're
bye.
welcome.